Here's why one should get a PPF done on day one of getting the delivery of a vehicle. Today we've got a 2023 model E-Class with us and it has not been PPF. The car has become absolutely dull for a 2-year-old vehicle, and as I can see, there are deep scratches on the fender on this one side of the door and the quarter panel, for which the car has come for a complete makeover. Today at Pit Stop, this is Kunal this side, and we are here to explain you each and every step with which we will accomplish a final beautiful E-Class look, which is going to be high in gloss and well protected. So now we are going to correct the paint of the car. We're going to sand these deep scratches which are there on the car as well. And after getting the paint corrected, we'll restore the shine of the car to as good as new. And once the car is brand new, we're going to seal it with a paint protection film. So the application that we're going to do on this car will be a mix of bulk application and a plotter application. Since we have an in-house plotter with us at Pit Stop, what it helps us with is that it can give us a free hand on which areas to do a plotter application, which will be a custom fit, and which areas will be a bulk application. So this client had a specific requirement where he had got a GLS done from some other detailer, where he had a problem where his logos were coming off instantly after a month of getting a PPF done. However, since he came to us for the first time, we explained him that how we are going to do it differently. We're going to use a CNC plotter which we have in-house with us, which helps us just to make a custom fit application on the logo area and not remove the logos. The in-house software that we have, it also helps us design and increase the length of the edges so that we can fold the film on the edges and inside through a plotter as well, which is a normal misconception in the market nowadays that a plotter cut PPF application will always be edge to edge. It will not. So we'll also be applying the PPF in the inside of the areas which can only be done with a plotter application which is in-house at Pit Stop. As you can see, all the glossy areas that are there in the car, which is the smallest areas as well, iske andar blades ka use karna is something which we can never do. The in-house plotter that we have will give us a custom fit PPF cutouts, and we'll apply it on all the glossy areas which are the smallest of buttons that will also be covered in it. And finally, I can't wait for you guys to see the final results. A car like Mercedes E-Class isn't just a luxury vehicle, it's a statement. And every statement deserves to be preserved in its purest form. That's why PPF is not just a choice, it's for people who understand value. The right time to protect your car is the day you bring it home, not the first scratch. At PitStop Delhi, we make sure that your car is flawless on the day that you drive it out for the first time. Book your slot today and let us wrap your luxury in the care it truly deserves.